Hi, in this video I am going to show you how you can download HP DeskJet 2600 all-in-one series printer drivers and set up to Wi-Fi or USB. So before we proceed, please ensure that your computer is connected to the wireless network. The computer and router are turned on, and also ensure that the computer is also connected to the same wireless Wi-Fi network from which you want to connect the printer with. And the next point is the printer is also set up paper loaded into the given input tray and ink cartridges are installed. And printer must be turned on and the places near to the computer within the range of the router for the setup. Now to complete this setup you need to download and install driver from HP website. This full feature driver has drivers for wireless printing and scanning software. So first of all you need to open any of your web browser. Like as you can see here I am going to launch Google Chrome in my PC. Now you need to search this website name which I am going to search here in address bar. As you can see it is 123.hp.com. So after typing this website URL you just need to hit the enter key. Now website will be open, just wait. Now as you can see here website is opened of HP. So we are going to just search our printer model name exactly. So it is DeskJet 2600, the model name of the printer. And as you can see here first result is available as HP DeskJet 2600 all-in-one printer series. So just click on this link and just click on next. Now it is asking to install HP Smart application in my PC. So here I am going to just click on install HP Smart. I have clicked on it, and after you scroll down you will also find a mobile application as well of HP Smart for Android device and iOS device as well. So let me just launch it. Okay, so as you can see here it is redirecting in Microsoft Store application. So from Microsoft Store this application will install of HP Smart app. So let's wait. So I will just click on HP Smart. Okay, so as you can see here this application is already installed in my PC. So I'm just clicking on open. Now this app will launch. As you can see its interface, HP Smart app is launching, just wait. Okay, so HP Smart app is launched now. So I will just click on plus icon here or add a printer. Now it is searching for the printers. Let's wait. Okay, so as you can see this printer is available in same network which is HP DeskJet 2700 series. So I am just clicking on it. Okay, so as you can see here this printer is connected now and ready for printing. Here I am also printing a test page. Let's wait. Okay, so now I have got the test page and it's also working fine now. So in this way you can set up your printer, and if you have more than one computer you need to follow the same instruction to set up the printer wirelessly. And this video is also applicable for setup HP 2600 series printers, all the available printers in same series in same way only. So you can follow the same video and same step to set up your printer. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you want any help related to your printer, just click on the support link which is available in this video description.